Mommy. I'm hungry.
Oh, really, my little sunshine? What do you want to eat?
I want noodles. Yummy noodles.
Noodles? That sounds delicious. But we don't have any at home right now.
Aww. Can we go and buy some, please?
Of course, sweetie. Let's go to the supermarket together.
Wow, Mommy. Look at all the food.
Yes, Lily. Now, let's find the things we need to make noodles.
What do we need, Mommy?
Let's see. We need noodles, some vegetables, eggs, and sauce.
I see noodles here.
Good job, Lily. You found them. Let's take one packet.
Mommy, can we get carrots too? They're orange and pretty.
Sure, carrots are healthy. We'll also take some onions and green peas.
And eggs. I like cracking eggs.
Haha, yes. But you have to be careful, little chef.
Okay, Mommy. I'll be careful.
All right, we have everything and pay bill to cash counter. Let's go home and cook. Okay, sweetie, we're home. Let's put everything on the table.
Yay! We got noodles, carrots, peas, and eggs.
That's right. Are you ready to cook?
Yes. Chef Lily is ready.
Then wash your hands first, little chef.
Splash, splash. All clean.
Now we cut the carrots. See thin little slices.
They look like orange coins.
Yes, pretty orange coins. Can you put the peas in this bowl?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Tiny green balls.
Good job, Lily.
I love cooking with you, Mommy. What's happening, Mommy?
We're boiling the noodles. They're cooking in hot water. Now let's add the vegetables to the pan.
Sizzle, sizzle. It sounds funny.
Yes, that's the sound of cooking. Now pour in the sauce, sweetheart.
Okay, red sauce coming in.
Perfect. Now we mix the noodles in.
Wow, it smells so yummy.
There, our noodles are ready.
Yay, they look beautiful.
Yay, they look beautiful. Careful, it's hot. Blow first.
Foo, foo. Okay, now it's ready. So yummy, Mommy.
I'm happy you like it. We made it together. Cheers to Noodle Day.
Cheers! I love cooking with you.
Me too. After we finish, we'll clean the table together.
Okay, I'll help. I'm a big helper.
Thank you, my little noodle star.
Thank you, Mommy.